Here we go then with another one. We're in Shropshire and we're on Wart Hill today. Let's give it a go. Not too much history really about Wart Hill, so I can't give you a lot of facts on this one, but it is an old Iron Age hill fort. Oh, red grouse feathers, I think. This is the final ascent steep. There you go then, that's another one done. That's the summit of Wart Hill. Beautiful. Just on a descent then now from Wart Hill. Lovely and peaceful up there. Really was. Only seen a couple of people on this trail, so nice and quiet as well. Yeah, so it's a circular route today, known as the Wart Hill Wander, I believe, and it's 1,064 feet, Wart Hill, so not too tall, but there's a few steep parts for sure, but yeah, turned out to be a nice day, weather's great. So in the far distance there you've got Pole Bank, I believe is the highest point, and that's the Long Mynd and Carding Mill Valley. That's wild garlic, that is. Really smell that. Nice. Little geology fact then for Wart Hill. Igneous rock. Dates back to the Precambrian age, about 550 million years ago. And a lot of the hills around Shropshire. Same thing, igneous rock, as I say, volcanic lava, kind of a rock ash. Coming up to 5¼ mile. That's 6½ mile. Few tyres knocking about there, isn't there? The rubber man. You know, Woody Harrelson a bit.